iron nail to an electromagnet. So let's start the video.
So the things needed are a 9-volt battery, a wire, a connector, a iron nail and a alpin. So first we will wind the wire around the nail. Now we will connect the wire to the connector. Now we will connect the connector to the battery. Now we will bring that alpin closer to that electromagnet or the iron nail and we will able to see that it is attracted to it.
Yes, the iron nail is converted into electromagnet because of the electric current.